Now, I won't tell you where I am, but if you can figure it out, then you know where to look. We're looking for the elusive smooth green snake in Rhode Island.
I had originally heard that the species was around here from my grandpa, who was going on a hike and he actually just saw one crossing the path. Then, a few weeks ago, my friend was hiking and he saw one too, and he actually caught it. So now it's
we
my
got a
time.
few pieces right here. Let's see if we get anything. No. Okay. Again, no. Man, triple no. Alright, let's check these rocks. Nada. Oh, there's one under there. Yay. Alright, guys. We did it. Alright, this is it. This is the smooth green snake. This one's a quite young one, but he's definitely got the greens on him. Wow. What a great species. I can't believe I didn't know these existed. Especially in my own backyard, pretty much. Wow. Didn't think we were going to find one. So this one's definitely a baby. They get, like, I'd say 4 times as big. Yeah. But still happy with this one. Cute. I'm gonna get some photos. Are you guys ready to let this one go? Oh, man. And he's gone.